Hi, this is the Motorola mode. Welcome, this is the Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So open first the settings application. Let's just check. We got here some sound settings here, so no. And just to activate or turn off silent mode, you should press up or down one button. That doesn't matter. You'll see here this bell icon. Just tap on it and switch this bell icon to the cross bell. Now our calls and notifications, they will be muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, by the same way, press the up or down one button and switch cross bell to the regular one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.